God, you're doing it late.
Yeah, mate.
Hold on.
Huh. I need to just say
Hold on, Darren, hold on. No, wait, oh, down. No, I want to put it in. I want to put it in.
Just put it in, lots of no. You got a rat.
Where's Mark?
Ooh. She can do that. Oh, shit. Can you do that, my collection of photos? Don't look at that one, or 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 that one. Just help me cover them all up. Let's go. If you like music, drama, and possibly wrestling, you'll enjoy the song stylings of Raven Baxter and or Sophie Daniels.
What? Get off the stage.
What are you gonna do? Blow out my candles?
Let it go.
I'm a sad little tree in pain because I'm dying from acid rain.
Come on, girlfriend, let this just call. You just always dig at the most. The more
the trees
come on. Oh, please. You never minded when I took the lead. You said that I gave you the push you need. Going up in my life. I'll do the tree.
Shine my head.
Touch you that tree. Please stop fighting or the power with me. Let's go, baby. The problem is you.
Oh, no, it's me.
It's a boss. But who? Let's just go for your mom. Take mom. Me. For the show. Why don't you understand how I feel? You know. Long.